Hi there, and welcome to another Bluubin tutorial. In this tutorial, we will cover recurring invoices in our accounting system. To get started, make sure that you are logged in and on the Bluubin dashboard. From the main menu at the top, click on the Suppliers button. This will take you to the Suppliers dashboard. Then, click on Manage Recurring Invoices in the left navigation bar. This will take you to the Recurring Invoice dashboard. Here you will receive a list of your suppliers. To add a recurring invoice to a supplier, click on the Recurring Invoices link found next to the supplier's name. Here you will be able to manage the recurring invoices for this supplier, but for now we are going to create a new recurring invoice. Start by clicking on Create New. We have located helpful hints next to some of the important fields. Simply hover over the eye and a hint for the field will be shown to you. First thing to do is to add the start and end date of the invoice. This basically informs the system of the earliest and latest date the invoice should be generated. Add a description for this invoice as well as select a recurring frequency. Then we have to select a generation day. This is the day that the invoice will be generated on. It can either be a date or a specific day of the week, depending on the frequency you choose. At the enabled field, you can either select to have this recurring invoice active or inactive. Let us add the recurring invoice information. Add your reference number and order number. Select the appropriate bank account to appear on the invoice. You can add a sales representative from the Sales Representative drop-down. To email this invoice or SMS it, enable these by selecting either email this or SMS this from the appropriate drop-down lists. Now, for the information that will be displayed on the invoice. Start by selecting an account from the drop-down. Add a description, the quantity and unit price. Select if this transaction is applicable for sales tax. If you want to add multiple lines, you can add a line by clicking the Add Line button. To remove a line, simply click on Remove next to the line. We added a Notes field where you can add extra information for directions to this transaction. Once you have completed all your required fields, click the Submit button. Thank you for watching this Bluubin tutorial. Make sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips. If you have any questions about this tutorial or need any other assistance, feel free to mail us at support@bluubin.co.za.